Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and we're still going to continue to talk about OpenProj task management software, and this time we will answer the question, what is the best way to control your time and task? Of course, if you have already installed OpenProj on your system, you can download it at 8downloads.com/OpenProj. You can just go ahead and open your OpenProj project, and then you will create a task. Now this time, to control your task and making sure that these tasks are being followed, you can put a priority on the task by double clicking on this information area, and then you can have it as priority as, put it as 1000, and then of course you can indicate how many hours of work. So when you close it, it will update itself, and as you can see, it's in the priority level here. So you can even have double click again on the information. You can also lower the priority by just putting it under 0 priority and close. There you go. And also there's a lot of things that you can see here. You can even let's say you can even indicate that it's already 50% complete, and then giving it back to priority 500. Oops, sorry. And then you can even render a deadline for this one to make sure that it's being followed by just going to the advanced, and of course deadline could be on the same day, or it could be on the 31st if you want to. So let's say just have it on the 30th and say close. So as you can see, there is a mark already here that says deadline. There you go. Okay, so that's the power of OpenProj, and you can make sure that every task is being done. So of course, all you need to do is just mind the time that you need to finish it. So let's say I'll click it here, and I want to finish it from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So by doing that, I'll just go to the general and make sure that I have it in 4 hours. Close. So there you go. So this is OpenProj, and it is downloadable for free, and I do advise everyone to download this so that you can keep track of your time and manage your time wisely. So this is Chris saying have a great day to all.